Hello, this is your Action News reporter at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. A while back ago, my wife went and bought her a tool kit. What does she need a tool kit for? I've got all the tools she needs, but I guess she wanted her own. So today, we're going to shoot the tools that she has in that kit. And if you can think of any others that she should have, let me know in the comments. Let's get started. The first tool that we're going to shoot in her toolbox is a utility knife. She calls it a box cutter, represented by red arrow. Wow, she is dangerous with that box cutter, the utility knife. She gets one in the 9 ring, yay! One in the 11 ring, yay! And scores a total of 26 points. That's a great start. Yellow arrow represents the needle nose pliers in her box. And her needle nose pliers scores a 23. Orange arrow represents a level. Whether it's one of those short ones that has the 3 different bubbles in it, or a 6-inch square that has a level on it. Her level scores 21 points. Not bad. White arrow represents a crescent wrench. Now, when she was telling me about that wrench, she didn't know the name of it, and it took her a couple of tries for me to understand what kind of wrench she was talking about. Crescent wrenches score a 13. Oh, hopefully that's low score. Black arrow represents her little cute hammer. It's not worth much, but I guess it can pound in some brads in the drywall so she can hang pictures. The hammer scores in the 9 ring, yay! And a total of 16 points. We are halfway through, and in first place we have the utility knife or box cutter with 26 points. In second place we have needle nose pliers with 23 points, and in third place we have the level with 21 points. That's what the rest of the arrows are up against. Blue arrow represents a must in any toolbox, a tape measure. Blue arrow, the tape measure, scores a total of 14 points. Our next tool, represented by brown arrow, is a good number 3 Phillips screwdriver. Our Phillips screwdriver scores an 11 and a miss in the dirt. This is depressing. Along with your Phillips screwdriver, you need a good flathead screwdriver, represented by green arrow. Green arrow gets one in the 9 ring, yay! And scores a total of 23 points. That ties for second place. The 9th tool in our toolbox is a good quality pair of slip joint pliers, good 6-inch pliers, represented by purple arrow. Our 6-inch slip joint pliers scores 4 points and 2 misses. How depressing. Now we have a shoot-off between green arrow flathead screwdrivers and yellow arrow needle nose pliers, both with 23 points. High score will take second place, low score will take third place. Green arrow will shoot first, representing flathead screwdrivers. Yellow arrow needle nose pliers. Yellow arrow, the needle nose pliers, the top arrow scores a 6. He'll take second place. Green Arrow, the flathead screwdriver, scores a 5. He'll take third place. See you at the winner stand. This is your Action News reporter here at the winner stand with our Toolbox winners. In third place, we have Green Arrow, representing flathead screwdrivers, scoring 5 points in the shoot-off. Second place won with 6 points, representing needle nose pliers. And in the winner's circle, we have Red Arrow, representing utility knives or box cutters. They won 26 points, and this arrow hit the 11 range. There are your winners. We congratulate them. I'm getting a bunch of requests on our subscriber Saturday. So far we have 2 arrows and one other person that chose a color arrow that was already taken. I'm just waiting to hear back from her. So we've got 4 contenders right now, because our last week's champion will come back to defend her title. We, the winners, and I would like to wish you a good day.